Hey, Valentine's Day is coming, and how would you like to know how to make your sweetheart this delicious, decadent chocolate raw vegan torte? I'm here to show you right now. Hi, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Joann and I am a certified raw vegan chef, and I've been uncooking since 2010. We're here to help you in going more raw to restore energy and immunity. And today I am going to be making Kenny a raw vegan chocolate torte. It's very decadent, yet it's very simple to make, and I'm going to show you how to do that. The ingredients for the crust are walnuts, coconut sugar, dates, cacao nibs, cacao powder, and melted coconut oil. How are you celebrating Valentine's Day? This video is from our Christmas video that we made the chocolate cherry cheesecake. We used a springform pan in this, but we will be using a tart pan for the torte, just like this one, so this is how it will come out. Check out our 5-day meal plan. We're going to melt the cacao butter in a pan, holding it above the heat so you don't get it above the raw temperature. Just pour off as it melts. For the ingredients for the actual torte part, you're going to have almonds, maple syrup, raw cacao powder, vanilla, and melted cacao butter. Okay, we're going to be making the filling now. We're going to put in our liquids first, then we will put in the nuts after we get the liquids in and the powder. It just makes it all be a lot more smooth and blend up better. You don't want to put the melted cacao butter in yet. That goes in last. We want to go ahead and blend up everything first. It just makes it for a smoother base. We get the lid on well and get that tamper going, and we get the blender cranked up to high and let it get really good and smooth, and work it in really well with the tamper. If you're getting value from this video, please hit the like button. We'd really appreciate it. And then you'll take, while the blender's on low, you go ahead and pour in the cacao butter that you've melted and let it get blended in really well. Just do this all on low, and then you're going to pour it into the tart pan and over the nut crust and spread it around an even layer. Now we made it in a bigger pan because it's so rich that we like a thinner layer, but if you want a thicker layer, just use a smaller pan. That's all there is to it. Or if you don't have a tart pan, it's perfectly alright if you just make it into a pie using a pie pan. That works just as well also. And then we're going to put the toppings on it and decorate it up. You can use pretty much anything you want to. We use strawberries, cacao nibs, and ground up almonds. You pop the bottom out of the pan and the bottom of the pan will stay there, and the edge comes off, and it gives that really pretty fluted edge that you like. And the purpose of the coconut oil in the crust was to help hold it all together and let it set up well and hold that shape. So it's really important in this particular crust. So now we're going to put the strawberries on, and you can use any fruit you want. You can put it all over the tart if you want, or you can just put a few on. It's just purely up to you on how you want to decorate this. We just decided to use strawberries because chocolate covered strawberries is typical for Valentine's Day. Then you sprinkle in on the nuts and some cacao nibs, and there you have it, that beautiful decadent chocolate torte. And I'm sure Kenny's going to really love it. Now we're going to just cut it. And it's best to use a little spatula like this or a cake server just to help get under it really well. Well, hello.
Well, hey, what's that?
I made you a vegan raw chocolate torte. It was so simple, but I'm not going to tell you how simple it was because I want you to think I slaved. So you want to try that?
Oh, yeah.
A chocolate cookie crust or chocolate nut crust and fudgy ganache puddingy thing.
You try it.
Okay, let's see. I'll let you be the guinea pig. Y'all, if you like chocolate, my goodness, it is so good. It is just melts in your mouth, and it's so good, and you will never miss the fact that it's not made with dairy. There's no dairy in here.
That's right.
It is just delicious.
It's still really creamy too. Before you leave, please take a look at the videos around us. And before you leave this video, please give us a like, subscribe, and ring the bell so that you don't miss any future videos. We make videos every week with healthy tips and recipes to get you to your best health yet. Happy Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day. Bye-bye.